This is pretty exciting. I've never had a canary melon before. Actually, it's been quite a few years since I had any kind of melon. Got this one from the old farm in Portugal Cove, Newfoundland. And I want to cut it open. I'm going to cut it in half. Years ago I used to eat cantaloupes. And I just cut them in half and eat it like a bowl. Ooh, I said it smelled like a honeydew. Look at the juice in that. It smells like a honeydew too. Let's give it a try. This looks like it's really sweet up here. It's like an extremely sweet honeydew. Very good. I gotta bring some up for hubby to try.